To the vlog. Now mom is talking. Ay, nako. I don't know how to talk.
You do.
Speak Bisayan. Right there.
The front is over here.
Oh yeah. This is Cracker Barrel.
Oh,
oh my goodness. You're gonna
wait. Wow.
They have a rocking chair to wait. Dining room.
You want to wait or you want to go somewhere else?
Holy smoke.
It looks like a lot of people.
No. How can we get in there?
Food must be good.
Yeah.
Okay, where do you want to go then?
I don't know. Everybody's hungry.
Okay. Applebee's, they don't have breakfast. They only have lunch.
We should try other things. And
End?
ambot asa taani karon.
Speak Filipino, people will understand.
Oh.
Kari kari.
Just speak Filipino and add captions.
Okay. Hello mga vlog. People in the world. Mag Bisaya daw ko, mag speak Filipino daw ko ko.
I'm gonna park here and we're gonna decide where we're gonna go. So we don't drive around in circles. Okay. Want to go to
Where?
what else is? Oh
Where? Seven Magic Mountains.
no, we're hungry. We're gonna eat.
Ambot. Ambot. Nasa ta mga ulan eh. Fuji.
What?
Fuji is full also.
Fuji? What are you talking about?
Fuji.
You gonna eat that again?
No.
We're gonna
Try something else.
yeah.
I don't know where. Where are we going?
It's Japanese restaurant.
I'm gonna go over there so you can go in. Oh,
Isn't it right there?
where is it?
I thought it was right there.
Oh, right. Kobashi?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Is it open? Let's see. They have ramen.
Ramen and curry. Firehouse sauce.
Oh, that's where I remember I bought this Firehouse sub, that one.
Hiking with your family, taking the stairs.
You remember?
Healthier you.
Got that sandwich. It was really good.
Oh, they have the Sapporo that. Were we going that one?
Yeah.
Weight loss surgery is a journey.
I don't know. Does it look open?
Long-term
when you're starving, you can usually think of these things.
But nakaon ba ni?
Drive by there and see if it's open. This one looks closed. Okay, next.
Keep driving to Diamond. What do you call that?
Huh?
Blue Diamond Road.